Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel 5a, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing features available on this Google device. Begin by opening Settings. Then scroll all the way down. From here, select System. Click on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. After that, you need to choose Text Correction. And as you can see, all typing features are available over here. In order to switch on or off one of them, just click on the switcher next to the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!